Hey guys, didn't see you there. Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneakerworld, and I am back with another video. I'm tired. I keep picking up all these sneakers. All these sneakers I keep buying. When am I gonna buy myself something? When am I gonna buy myself some? Oh, I got the patinas. I'm lying. I didn't know if I was gonna keep those though. But anyway, y'all seen the title, y'all seen the thumbnail. Today's video is about the Jordan 7 Flint. That's what we're going to talk about today. But I made a post the other day, a few days ago, on my IG, stating that, hey, if anybody wants me to help out, I'm not going for the Flint 7s personally. If anybody wants a little bit of assist for retail, hit me up. I'll put in as many raffles as I can for you guys. And I hit on a few pairs for people. So that's what I picked up today. I'll just obviously show one. I hit on 4 pair, I think 3 or 4. So I don't think that these are highly sought after, not because of the colorway or anything else like that, but it's just simply because a lot of people don't buy 7s, don't buy Jordan 7s. I own 1 pair of Jordan 7s, and I wore them the other day, so they may still be downstairs. But yeah, I own the Pata 7s. I used to own the Cardinal 7s, but they had gotten so old, even though I got them for a great deal. I reviewed them here on the channel. Got them for a great deal off eBay. I actually ended up letting them go because I wasn't going to get enough wears out of them like I wanted. So I ended up letting them go. So I have 1 pair of 7s. And I have not looked at these. But, ooh, this smell is strong. I'm going to pull these out. I'm probably going to pause in this video. I want to, ooh. Ooh, soft like a lady. I don't see any stamps or stickers. No stamps. I guess there's some wording up there in the corner. I don't even see the little green dot in there, whatever it is. Size 9.5. Air Jordan 7 Retro, white, varsity purple. For those that care about the size label, there's that for you. These are from Foot Locker, retail pair. Man, so full disclosure, complete honesty and transparency. I know that these released back in 2006, the OGs, I believe. I could be wrong. You can correct me in the comment section down below if I am. I don't feel any type of way about being corrected if I'm wrong. But I have never in my life seen a Flint 7 in person until right now. Legit, this is the first time. I never seen the OG. I don't know if they retroed in between then and now. This is my first time ever in my life seeing a Flint 7 in hand. It's not something that I was checking for back then. Once again, not because of the colorway, but because not a lot of people wear 7s. So I'll get a little closer, but I'm gonna say this before I get a little closer to you guys. I am very impressed with the materials. Very, very soft. And what I wanted to go get my Patas for, those Pata 7s, the suede on those is like they cut it straight. They cut it straight off the cow. Bow! You know what I'm saying? And just threw it on the sneaker and put a Jordan Jumpman on it. But these are buttery soft as well. Maybe not as buttery as my Patas, but that's a collab. You know what I'm saying? These are not. But these are okay, man. I'm gonna be completely honest. Not mad at these, but it's definitely not something that I would be going for. But I'm going to give you, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to give it its just due, because these are not cheeks by any stretch, but they're just not for me. So let's get let's get up close and personal. You know what I'm saying? Let's get intimate. You feel me? But anyway, so on the side panels and on this toe box, you got this like dark gray, almost like charcoal gray, all suede all the way around that thing. All of these pieces in here are suede. Everywhere you see this gray on the uppers is suede. Very, very nice. For those that care about that stuff, you know what I'm saying, this isn't quite nursing home skin tumble. You know what I'm saying? But this is like in between it's in between middle age. It's like you sit out in the, like you grew up in Florida, and you know what I'm saying, your skin ain't all the way right. You got too much sun exposure. So it's getting there. But it ain't, you know, it's nice. It's nice. Bottoms, you got that like court purple type bottoms, and this is vast gray. This is like a wolf gray bottom. It's not black, so that's dope. I like that it contrasts with the uppers. They actually made a gray, purple, and white bottom, and you do have a purple Jumpman down there as well. Very, very clean. One of the best parts of Sevens, what people like the most, is that they always have these, like this design on the tongue, regardless of what colors they put on it. They always have this retro 90s type zigzags, Saved by the Bell type color blocking, type design. You do have your 23 on the back, and it got that triangle, looks like a Corvette type logo on the back of that thing. But I think the best part of this sneaker is the materials. The color is very, very simple. For those that like Flint color blocking, you do have another purple Jumpman up there. It's clean. But what I don't understand is that, like, I'll just pull out this. I'll pull out this 9. People say they don't like 9s because they look like boots. Jordan 7s these look like boots because the ankle collar, to me, the ankle, like from the tongue to the back, all of this is super wide. And then obviously the bottom is a big bulky basketball sneaker. It's not as heavy as it looks. It looks a lot heavier than it is. But these are bulky. And people also like to say that, this one got a little bit more tumbled, that things are slept on or underrated. No, things are rated right where they're supposed to be rated, in my opinion. A lot of things are rated right where they're supposed to be rated. Like 2s. 2s are trash. There's only a couple colors, the OG colors, a couple, like the Chicago and maybe another one, that are even worth looking at. To me, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? 7s, I feel like they're rated right where they're at. I don't think it's a hype beast thing. I think that 7s just aren't that pleasing to the eye sockets. That's just, some of them are cool. Some of them are just, it's just not for everybody. What else? 10s. A lot of people don't like the way 10s are shaped. You know what I'm saying? I've never owned a 10. 5s. 5s are cool. The colors are cool, but they're bulky as hell on foot. So, you get what it is what it is. Oh, the sun is coming in. Look like, oh man. Look like I done stepped into heaven. So I'm gonna hurry up and get rid of this video because my camera done picked up the sunshine. So anyway, y'all let me know in the comment section down below. Let me see, can I adjust this? Let me close this. Alright, I apologize, I'm back. Anyway, I'm gonna close the video out anyway. But no, I appreciate y'all watching another one of my videos. The post office has closed, so I can't ship these out right now today, and it is Saturday, so it won't be open tomorrow either, so these won't ship out till Monday. But shout out to everybody that went through me to get a pair. And shout out to everybody that's been using my terminology. Don't think that it's going unnoticed. that you got. It's flattering. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not taking this like I'm some huge YouTuber, because I'm far from. But I watch everybody's content, and I pick up on the things that, you know what I'm saying, that I say and in my videos, and people start integrating into their videos and their thumbnails and different things like that. I think it's dope. I think it's dope, man. So shout out to you guys as well. Another one of those flex builder, point builders right here. You know what I'm saying? So I'll let him do. I'm not gonna say who I got these for. This particular pair. He has a YouTube channel as well, and he'll do a way better review than I'm doing right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm not BSing through this review, but it's not my pair. It is his, so I want him to give this the, you know what I'm saying, the love, and you know what I'm saying, he talk about this the way he needs to talk about it. But anyway, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all watching another one of my videos. Please hit the notification bell. That's the only thing that I ask for each person to watch the video. Please hit the notification bell. I don't care where we end up in subscribers by the end of the year. Doesn't even matter. Hit the notification bell. OVE!
Whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire. My rock and maybe flip. It's season, you never trip, get them early, I never miss no bite. But if they have me get to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker